Good afternoon, viewers. TP5 is back in the midst of your activity with the Tuesday, March 26, 2024 edition of our news program. I am Corinthus Manjuntak and my colleague
Laila Disti, who will provide the latest and most up-to-date news. Viewers, there has been a tragedy of a train accident in Serdang Begadai, hitting a broken down fertilizer truck in the middle of a train crossing.
a train passing at the railroad crossing in Pasar Bengkel Village, Perbaungan Subdistrict, Serdang Bedagai Regency, had an accident on Tuesday night, 19/3/2024. The train hit a truck that stopped and broke down right on the railroad track. The second of this accident went viral on social media because it was immortalized by local residents.
Information gathered that this accident occurred at around 8:13 p.m. At that time, the truck coming from the direction of Serampa toward Perbaungan broke down at the crossing. Then, not long after, a passenger train came from the direction of Tebing Tinggi towards Medan. The following completes coverage of the post-accident condition between the train and the truck will be presented by my other collection. Nabila Swari Lubis, to Nabila, what is the current condition?
Thanks to Corinthus and Leila, here I will report on the current events, namely the aftermath of the accident between the train and the truck in Pasar Bengkel Village, Perbaungan. Here I have presented Najwa Fitri Sahira, the witness and resident who captured the accident. Good evening, Miss Najwa.
Good evening.
May I ask you a question?
Sure.
Okay, what is the chronology of the accident?
The tragedy initially occurred because a truck carrying a lot of fertilizer broke through the railroad crossing and ended up breaking down. So, when I was at the scene, a train was coming to pass. The railroad crossing passed, but the truck remained stationary. Afterward, there was the sound of a long horn and a loud crash as the collision occurred. Meanwhile, the driver and cornet of the truck that caused the accident ran away and are being sought by police.
Okay, so was there any loss of life in the tragedy?
As far as I know, no. Because the driver and the cornet ran away. The passengers on the train were only shocked by the sudden impact. However, it is said that the train driver suffered quite serious injuries on his legs and chin, at which time the security officers immediately took the driver to the nearest hospital for treatment.
Okay, well, thank you to Miss Najwa for providing detailed information about the accident.
Sure, you're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, maybe that's all I can tell viewers about the aftermath of the accident between the train and the fertilizer truck in Perbaungan at the scene of the crime. That this accident occurred due to the negligence of the fertilizer truck driver. I appeal to viewers to always be careful when passenger railway guard posts so that bad things don't happen. I return the news to Corinthus and Leila at Studio T5. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks to Nabila, who conveyed information at the scene of the crime.
That's all for today. TP5 Let's and Greatest News. We ask for permission to retire. Good activity and good night. Thank you.